Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. I've just gotten back from doing a massive grocery trip. Sorry about my appearance as well. I'm trying to give my face a bit of a rest from makeup because it's been breaking out, as you can see from this disgusting pimple. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I got because I got a lot of stuff because I'm trying to eat healthy for this week and get my shies together, get my life together. And yeah, I've been in a bit of a slump lately, so I'm just trying to get stuff done and get everything together. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this scarf. I think this scarf is from Cotton On, maybe not. And then this turtleneck bodysuit from Boohoo. These jeans, sorry, my room is messy too. Like, I just cleaned my room a few days ago and it's messy. I'm telling you guys, I need to get my stuff together. Like, I need to get my life together. These jeans are from Dish Boutique and spelt from Glassons. And then these little black Converse. Yes, let's go do a grocery haul. Okay, so I have my 2 bags of groceries here. These are for my sisters, not me. I'm eating healthy. And then, in the first bag, I've got a rock melon. Fun fact, rock melons are my favorite fruit. I could literally just eat this all the time. I'm obsessed with rock melon. Brody, hi. I forgot that you can't even see him. Then I got a lemon because I thought this would be nice with some hot water to calm me down at night time when I'm trying to sleep, or even just to wake me up in the morning. Got some cucumber. This is an essential. 2 avocados. I'm obsessed with avocados. Have to have these all the time. Then I got some tomatoes. I love little tomatoes to have in salads and stuff. Then a couple of mandarins. Mandarins are really good for a quick snack. And then lastly in this bag I got this creamy roasted garlic olive oil vinaigrette. It's like a dressing, because this probably isn't healthy, but I thought this would be good for salads and wraps and stuff like that, because for lunch today I'm going to make a chicken lettuce wrap, so I thought this would be nice in there. I got an iceberg lettuce for my lettuce wraps and salads and stuff. I got these brown rice crackers. Then I got these are new, they're from Shapes, and they're light roasted potato, like chips, like Shapes. They've got roasted sweet potato, garlics and herbs, and then roasted sweet potato and sea salt. So I'm excited to try those out. I've never actually had sweet potato before, so I don't even know what to expect. Then I got some Digestive Biscuits. I love these for after dinner. Then some apricot coconut slices. These are really good for a snack as well. If you haven't noticed, I love snacks. Like, when I'm eating healthy, snacks are what I struggle with the most. I'm fine with meals. They're like easy to eat healthy, but I just like to be eating like all the time, so snacks are what I really struggle with, so I make sure that I get tons of snacks so that I don't eat bad. Then I got this hot roast chicken for lunches and stuff. I love chicken, but it's so expensive. It's $9, but I feel like that's expensive, so I rarely buy it. And lastly, I got these dark chocolate coated goji berries. These were also expensive. I think they was like $8, which is like so expensive. But I thought they'd be a good snack after dinner if I want something chocolatey or something, but also healthy. Also, I could have them on smoothie bowls and stuff like that. I had this once at Soul Press, and they had like dark chocolate goji berries on the top, and I really liked them. I literally didn't even eat the smoothie, I just ate these. So yeah, I thought that it would be a nice little investment to spice up my smoothies. I feel like these will last me ages. Oh my god, are they melted? I don't know why I was literally trying to hear if they're melted. I also got some things in the fridge. I just got these 2 yogurts here. I've never tried either of them. I have tried Chobani yogurt before, but not these ones. This one is a strawberry Chobani yogurt with oats in it, which will probably make it chunkier, and I thought that would be really cool. Sounded tasty to me. And then limited edition yogurt. I'm obsessed with limited edition things. Like, I can't not get them. So it's a limited edition Chobani Greek yogurt in the flavour Tropical. Look at that packaging. That's like the cutest yogurt I've ever seen in my life. And yeah, that is it for my grocery haul. This was so expensive, so hopefully I don't ruin it. But yeah, that is everything that I got. Wow. Plus, look at me. I had to carry these 2 bags full all the way home, and it was such a struggle. Hey, Brody. Just enjoying the sunshine? He always sits here in the sun. It's so cute. Oh, lol. Okay, here's my lunch. I might not eat that all. I feel like it looks like a lot having 3 wraps, but yeah, it looks so good. I'm so excited. So it's been like literally exactly a week since I started this vlog. I got out my camera a few times last week to vlog and I just didn't feel right. I really had a bad week last week. I just have been in a bit of a funk lately, and last week was just a really bad week. But I'm trying to make this week a better week. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit inspired today to just get my life back together and make this week what last week was supposed to be, even though it turned out to be absolute garbage. But I have to clean my room. I swear every day I clean my room. But I just filmed a haul, so I've got all of my haul stuff on the floor. Plus, I was trying to find a certain top and I could not find it for the life of me, so I literally pulled everything out of this drawer and I couldn't even find it in the end, so that was just a big waste of time. But I also got a package today. I want to do a video next week of trying to go vegan for a week, and I'm so excited because going vegan is something that I've always thought about doing and wanting to do because I just love animals and I love just the world. And I thought that obviously because I love filming things, that I would just film it and document it. So I'm doing that next week when Mum is away in Thailand. She's leaving on Thursday. So I ordered some things from Coconut Bowls. So they take old coconut shells and they recycle them into little bowls. They're handcrafted, 100% natural, and made entirely from organic coconuts. They have spoons, forks. They also have vegan cookbook and stuff like that, and it's an Australian brand. They're 100% natural. This is their Instagram. And so I ordered some things from there for when I go vegan next week, because I've always wanted to order stuff from there, but I feel like this is a good opportunity to finally do it. Okay, let's open the box. So this must be the straws. Oh my gosh, how cute. They're little bamboo straws. So this is what they look like. You get so many. I think you get 10. Hey, where's my fork? Did I even get a fork? Anyway, I got my spoon. But yeah, this is the spoon. It's a super dark wood. And yeah, this will be good for smoothie bowls and stuff as well. I swear I got a fork. I'm really sad. Okay, I didn't order a fork. I'm just dumb. That's okay. Okay, I'm just making some cookies now because my little sister's finished school in like half an hour. So I thought I would make them a little treat for when they get home. I've just made the dough and now I have to roll it out. Here it is. It's so yummy. Hi guys, so it is the next day. You would have seen my breakfast that I just made, a beautiful dragon fruit bowl. But now I'm gonna go, oh my god, I just had the most delicious salad ever. I'll insert a photo of it. It was so good. And my lipstick has completely come off except for this. Gonna need to fix that. Right now I'm going to Chemist Warehouse with my mum. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this yellow jumper from Cotton On from the men's section, pepper mayo denim jacket, leggings with the hole, and these, what are they called?
Sandals.
Hello, darling. Maddie's just doing Charlotte's makeup in the shop. It actually looks really good. Got a few things. Got the goods. So it's a little bit later now. I just have had so much to do today. I've had the most productive day. I'm so proud of myself. But I just quickly wanted to show you guys what I got from Priceline today. I'm really excited about what I got from Priceline. So I just got this Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner because my mum was getting it and I don't have any eyeliner left, so I thought I would get this. And then I got this lip liner from Rimmel. I don't have a lip liner either, and my sister said this one is the best. And then I got 3 nail polishes. I'm never ever allowed to paint my nails because at my work, I work at a bread shop, so you're not allowed to have your nails painted. Lol, I have my nails like bright orange right now. But I'm trying to get a new job, plus I can just wear gloves if I want to have my nails painted. So I got a few colors. I got this really pretty like latte-ish brown color. I'm really excited to use this. And then just a plain white because I don't have a white for some reason. And then this really pretty minty apple. Why did I just call it minty apple? I actually think I might end this vlog here. I don't know how much footage I've gotten. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have an amazing day today and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye guys.